I'm seriously vlogging right now, and I'm so lost. Good morning, guys! So, wala pong work si Athena. Not working today. So, tingnan po natin si Ate Gwen. Hello! Ano, tsaa? Tsaa talaga. Tsumatsaa na po siya.
Grabe.
Kasi masyado na po siyang nagiging, anong tawag? Nervyosin. Or whatsoever. Basta ganun. So, I'm having my breakfast. No, ligo. We're going to the palengke today.
Maliligo pa ako.
Hindi, diretso ka na. Yesterday. So, hindi po kami nag-iilaw dito kasi mahal po yung kuryente sa Australia. So, breakfast po muna tayo. Bye! Talaga alam. If it fails. Sandali, upo muna ako. Wait. I'm seriously vlogging right now, and I'm so lost.
If I was a question, would you be my answer? If I was the music, would you be the dancer? If I was the student, would you be the teacher? If I was the sinner, would you be the preacher? Would you be my... It's the done, the done, done. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit it. Was the done that
Basta nandito na ako. Medyo maingay, medyo crowded, pero worth it naman. Super. So, the main reason why I'm here is magpapabebe. Na-miss ko lang magpabebe sa coffee house. Like, super. Saka mag-vlog ako. Charot. Charotero. Pilingerang vlog. Anyway, busy ako. Mag-stay ako dito. 3 to 4 hours. Tinatamad na nga. Medyo mainit pala. So, overuse sa jacket pa ako. Tapos mag-isa lang ako. Ang lungkot naman ang buhay ko. Lahat sila nagdadaldalan. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako, pero lahat sila nagdadaldalan. Tapos ako na yung walang kausap. Kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Mga kanta nga dito.
On God, my God, how she get at me. Either we'll never get it right or it's meant to be. My ego, her pride, some recipe. We are biggest fans and our own worst enemies. Ain't shy, let the whole world know. Have them tuned in to the blow by blow. She move, I move, let her go, I go.